Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, your next ma. Okay, in today's video I'll be showing how I get my brows laid. As I said in my previous video, my brows are very hard. Like, they are very hard to control, they are very hard to get them laid for a perfect canvas for your brows. So in today's video I'll be laying my brows with soap to see if it will work. I've tried it once, it worked, and today I'll be trying it again. I want to share it with you to see if it will, I know it will work for you. So if you have very stubborn brows like mine, stay tuned and let's get started. It's not only for people with tough brows, like hard brows. If you want to tame your brows, if you want to get it laid to stay throughout the day, this is the perfect method for you. So stay tuned and let's get started. So I've put in some water on my soap and set it aside for it to set. We have to wait for like a minute for it to set before we can use the spoolie to scrape some soap onto our brows. So by now it's done. So I'm going to take the spoolie and just go around in circles like this to get as much soap I can get from it. Okay. I'm going to go this way to get the soap from the spoolie and go back in, scrape some more. Okay, that's enough for our brows. I'm going to use the same spoolie to brush my brows upwards. And clean the excess soap from my skin. Then I'm going to go ahead and set it with some powder. I'm going to set it with Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Come back to do my brows and it's time for the brows. So I am done with my highlighting and contouring. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. Just light strokes. So I'm making light strokes in front of my brows, brow light strokes. To draw another line across the top of my brows like so. to go ahead and fill in this other brow. After drawing my brows, I'm going to go ahead and conceal it using a concealer for the bottom and my foundation for the top. The foundation I used for my face. Okay guys, this is the final look. Let me get close so you can see the brows. It is so late, it's going to last me the whole day. I'm going to church, so see you guys later. Bye.